Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. If you've been following this video series up until now, then today you will learn your 100th irregular verb. Don't give up, stay tuned and stay focused. So why do we need to bother with these irregular verbs? Why should we learn them in the first place? It's because irregular verbs are everywhere in English. Some of the most used verbs in English are irregulars, so sadly we don't have a choice. That is why we've created this video series. In every video we'll teach you 10 irregular verbs at a time. You will learn how to pronounce them and also how to write them. So let's get into it. Send, sent, sent. Set, set, set. Sue, sued, soon. Shake, shook, shaken. Shall and should. Shed, shed, shed. Shine, shone, shone. Shoot, shot, shot. Show, showed, shown. Shrink, shrank, shrunk. We'll go over them a bit quicker. Make sure to practice your pronunciation. Send, sent, sent. Set, set, set. Sue, sued, soon. Shake, shook, shaken. Shall, should. Shed, shed, shed. Shine, shone, shone. Shoot, shot, shot. Show, showed, shown. Shrink, shrank, shrunk. Now you know how to conjugate and pronounce these irregular verbs. Make sure to keep on practicing by reading them aloud and or re-watching the video until you know them all by heart. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and check out our other content on the channel. See you soon for a next Begrepen video.